Hello, how are you guys doing? All right, so it is day 4 of the 30-day Cleanse and Restore challenge. All right, so for those people who are doing the challenge with me, please comment below, tell me how you're doing. Okay, so I have been a little bit sluggish today. So, oh, what's this? Okay, and it's okay. I took it easy because you're supposed to take it easy, okay? So let's do our oils, okay, and our products. For those people who are just interested in learning about essential oils, go ahead and contact me and go to my website, and you know, there's a lot of things that you can learn. So that's lemon oil in my water. Lemon helps me absorb the water better, and it helps me with flushing the toxins out. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the Zendocrine oil. Okay, so if you don't have the Zendocrine soft gel, okay, go ahead and use your Zendocrine oil and put it in a capsule anyways, okay? So we'll talk about Zendocrine and cleansing our organs, especially the liver and the gallbladder today, okay? So the Zendocrine oil is a blend of tangerine, rosemary, geranium, juniper berry, cilantro. Okay, those are very good cleansing oil for all the organs. It helps remove heavy metals in our body, especially from the brain. It helps with settling all the organs, especially at nighttime when you're trying to sleep, and sometimes you wake up throughout the night, okay? Sometimes people wake up several times to go to the bathroom. They think, oh, maybe I drank too much water, but it's because the organs are unwell and the organs are waking them up, because that's when the organs function, okay? They take turns every 2 hours to function. And so when your organs are cleaner, you'll be able to sleep through the night, okay? So remember, what we're trying to do is to cleanse our cells. And when our cells are cleansed, what happens? We have cleaner tissues, and cleaner tissues make cleaner organs, right? Or healthier organs, and healthy organs make a healthy you. All right, so I got all my stuff together. All right, oop. I spilled water on myself. Okay, cheers. Okay, so those people who don't like taking pills, you can take them one at a time, okay? I can take them a lot at a time, but some people can't. So just do what you can, okay? My sister doesn't like taking pills too, so she has to lean forward for the pills to float up, and then, you know, she can swallow it. Okay, so keep your water bottle near you all the time and continue to drink, okay? We talked about hydration yesterday, so keep your body hydrated. So let me just check my chart. So I have my chart, just make sure that I'm done. Check, 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 check. Okay, let's put that down there. Alrighty, so let's talk about the different emotions. Remember these products, especially the Zendocrine right now, they're filtering products. They help your body filter the toxins out, okay? But you can play an active role in your cleansing and your healing, okay, by filtering as well, okay? We want to filter out the bad and keep the good. If we are negative, we are going to filter out the good and keep the bad. We have so much power that we don't even realize that we do, okay? We actually give instructions to food and supplements to do what it needs to do in our body, okay? So if we're angry and we're filled with a lot of negativity, we're actually inadvertently giving instructions to our organs to do the opposite of what we really want anyways, okay? So the negative emotions held in the liver and the gallbladder is anger, bitterness, hatred, complaining, depression, frustration, annoyance, panic, and indecisiveness. So we're not victims to these emotions. We actually have power to change them, and we actually have the full control over what we believe, okay, and what we think, which created these emotions in the first place. So I'm going to suggest to you to be prayerful, connect to God, and ask Him to help you be more self-aware and clear thinking enough to figure out what are the thoughts and the beliefs that has created these feelings. Okay, so what did I think and what do I believe about the world and people to cause me to think, to feel angry? Okay, whatever it is, or to feel annoyance or feel frustration. Okay, so, be mindful, proactive about this, write these things down, and then consciously choose the positive and the positive emotions that we can choose to hold in these organs, especially the liver, right? And the gallbladder is joy and praise, calm and appreciation, comfort, patience and courage, just confidence and encouraged, right? And decisiveness. So if you want to be like, wishy-washy, right? You can choose to be that way. You can choose to be decisive. It's just a choice. Just make a choice, and suddenly you step into that role and you become more of that. So if you think, oh, I'm working on being decisive, well, that means that decisive person is out there, over there, out of reach, away. Okay, instead we want to say, I am a decisive person, and here on out I'm a decisive person. Okay, I feel it in my heart, I feel inspired, my gut confirms it, I move forward, and then understanding follows. That's who I am. Okay, and then from now on you're going to find the evidence that supports that belief. Okay, it can be done quickly. Okay, we just need to be mindful and be intentional. Sit down, get a notebook, right? Start writing out, what is it that's causing me to feel that way, that anger, that frustration, that bitterness. And you know what? In most of the time, it's just patterns that we've inherited from our society, from parents, from people. This is how you're supposed to respond to that. This is how you're supposed to respond to it. Maybe not. Okay, we had a car accident about 4.5 years ago where our car, flipped and it was hit again by a truck. Anyways, we survived it, but the person who hit us, he was very apologetic, and we came up to him and we said, hey, it's okay. We lived and we're fine. You're forgiven. You're okay. And when I retold that story to friends, they're like, oh my gosh, I would have been so angry. How did you, how could you just hug him? How did you forgive him so quickly? Blah, blah, blah. Because they are reacting, and, there's something in the beliefs and the thoughts that has created these feelings. So please just be still, be mindful, be prayerful, okay, and identify what those emotions are. So remember the people who sometimes when people get drunk, right, they get angry. Remember that alcohol is affecting the liver, right? And so when you release the emotions in the liver, you might feel a little bit of anger and bitterness and panic and annoyed, but that's okay. Work it out. Write down what it is that you're thinking and you're believing on the subconscious level, and change it. And my friend, we can change. We can really change. It's not that difficult. With God, we can do anything. All right. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Zendocrine is a cleansing and filtering oil, and it's going to help your filtering organs, which is your liver and your kidneys and that, to filter out the bad. But you have to instruct it to filter out the bad as well, okay? By choosing, to release the negative emotions and then adopt the positive emotions. So I'm putting a list of those emotions here, okay? Please comment below if you have not experience essential oils and you're just watching this video for the first time, and you want to experience them, you want to get some samples, or you want to get started, just talk to me, contact me, private message me, and we'll get you going. Okay, this is so easy, and it's so accessible. Good health is accessible to everyone. So I just wanted to share with you those things I feel is very important. I hope that helped you, and I hope you enjoyed that. And I look forward to seeing you in another video. I'll try to do as many as I can. I might skip the weekends, hang out with my family a little bit, but I'll try to do as many videos as we do this cleanse to help you out and to support you. All right. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.